Hello, miss. Show us your markings, come on. I'll be chasing a fly. Look at the markings on that. Now look. You've got a face there with a cross on the back. Look at the markings. And another one there, look. Another cross with a diamond. Let's have a look here. Let's have a look at me. Look at you. You're gorgeous. Look at your markings. Hey? The crosses on the back. They are unique. And look. Whee. This is my house, Maggie. Fabulous views on the back garden, the countryside, and we have horses in the field over here. Beautiful. Real incredible patterns. Never seen the likes of these on kittens before. There's 3 of them like